Good morning, everyone. This is Andrew Colliton giving the presentation for Cloud Migration Plan for 2022. The objectives. Project 1, Overview of the Cloud. Step 1, Describe cloud computing. Step 2, Research advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Step 3, Analyze economic implications. Step 4, Define the IT business requirements. Step 5, Prepare a SWOT analysis. Step 6, Prepare a presentation on benefits and possible drawbacks of adopting cloud infrastructure. The cloud is an on-demand infrastructure utility for the 21st century. Cloud computing allows for networked access to a collectively shared reservoir of services. The cloud offers a list of resources such as servers, software, storage, networks, and applications. It allows us to rent these services by contract, by month, quarter, annual, or pay by usage. These can be deployed on any computer terminal or PED handhelds, limited only by internet connectivity capacity. Internet capacity becomes less of an issue as 5G networks become more available day by day. Similar to water and electricity utilities, the cloud is pay-as-you-go services that can accommodate Ballot Online's future growth. Types of cloud services: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. There are two more, but these are the main three. Software as a service allows for access to cloud application packages over the internet. The cloud provider maintains software and hardware, freeing the customer from maintenance and repair. Platform as a service provides an environment for the customer to develop their own applications, providing language compilers, editors, runtimes, middleware, and other support tools. The cloud provider manages the operating system, middleware, and any licenses. Infrastructure as a service provides physical equipment infrastructure such as servers, storage, media, network routers, and providing visualization capability. Infrastructure services provide storage management, database management, network management, server provisioning, security management, application management, monitoring, alert, and notification. Basically any of the infrastructure you could possibly need. Okay, so cloud services control comparison. This is just showing you which each level of the platform you need less personnel, less infrastructure, and the personnel you do have don't have to worry about updating those licenses quite as often. Now, types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud, and you have hybrid cloud, which is a combination of the two. Public cloud. These are third-party cloud service providers operating computer resources such as servers and storage over the internet. All the hardware and software infrastructure is managed by the cloud provider. The customer access services over a paid account using a web browser. Examples: AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Now, private cloud. These are on-site company data centers in which services are operated and maintained on a private network. The cloud computing infrastructure is used and owned exclusively by the business or organization. The model of cloud computing provides a high level of sensitive data, is not accessed by third parties or providers. Hybrid cloud is a mix of the two. On-premise infrastructure and public cloud services with orchestration among various platforms. This system allows for the use of legacy or critical on-site applications to integrate with applications better suited for cloud services. A hybrid cloud requires an advanced network to ensure safe and efficient network communication for an on-off-site infrastructure services, either shared or dedicated. This is a good choice if you have older data center equipment and you want it to work with the newer stuff. Now, cloud compute. Now, what is cloud computing? It is the delivery of cloud computing services such as servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intel over the internet using remote servers to store and access data instead of relying on local hard drives and private data centers. You have virtual servers, containers, serverless computing, and bare metal servers, which are quite expensive. Now, cloud storage, easy topic. Cloud storage is data storage cloud computing model, which stores data through the internet, usually through a cloud computing provider, managing and operating data storage equipment, storage systems, direct attached storage types and protocol, block, file, object-based, and content delivery network. In one form or another, most people have used this service, whether they realize it or not. Advantages and disadvantages of cloud. Advantages: convenience, expertise, faster connectivity, infrastructure, lower costs, and scalability. Your disadvantages: complex pricing, less flexibility, specific skill set required, outbound costs, shared security, and regulatory requirements. An analysis of economic implications of moving to cloud. While cloud services provide increased capability and scalability, they can also reduce operating costs. Basically, look, migration to cloud depends on the scale of the transfer. Small projects, maybe 5 to 15,000. Medium, large projects can cost anywhere from 20,000 to 500,000. Our IT budget is 10% revenue. Most organizations spend 30% of the IT budget on data center infrastructure. Therefore, moving to a cloud provider can save Battle Online an average of 10% to 20% per year. A projected savings of $2,160,000. Now, if you look at Battle Online's IT budget and infrastructure summary, and you go down to cost savings estimate, by switching over to Microsoft Azure or AWS, we're saving about $10 million or more a year. Quote of the day: your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. What the cloud should do for our business. The cloud should help innovate our business model, allow for increased automation, allow for business to rapidly adjust. What the cloud must do for our business: typical function requirements, business rules, authentication, audit tracking, reporting requirements, legal or regulatory requirements. Example of these are European Union's General Data and Production Regulation, HIPAA, International Standards Organization, and NIST CSF. Now, what the cloud will do for our business: the cloud will create a return on investment. Moving the organization's infrastructure to the cloud will result in a 94 to 96 annual cost savings, allowing for hiring more qualified personnel in the fiscal budget. Critical IT requirements related to data storage. Data protection, secure data applications across multiple environments, maintaining visibility to all users and file activity, audit trails, records all systems and user activity, including security violations and flaws, separation of data. Individual clients have their data isolated using software or physical hardware, separation of duties. Sensitive data is segmented and may limit individual users to need-only access, therefore creating a checks and balances system for security. Now let's talk about SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Here in the SWOT analysis template, you got the strengths: increased security, reliability, flexibility, mobility, increased collaboration, quality control, and the like. Weaknesses: internet downtime, third-party security, data theft, infrastructure inferences, vulnerabilities, and shared environments. Opportunities: cost reduction, faster innovation, reduce overall IT overhead. Your threats: third-party security breach, denial of service attacks, compatibility, trust, confidentiality, and control over performance and quality suffer. Thank you, everyone. That is the end of the presentation, and you have a good day.